Introducing Project the Hulk, an E.C.D Defender 110 engineered for extremes, from coastal sand to snowy terrain. At its core, a 455 horsepower LT1 V8 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission delivers relentless power, whether climbing soft dunes or pushing through icy roads. With an extended fuel tank, the journey doesn't stop when the map runs out. Its foundation is built for control in any environment. BREMBO high-performance brakes, finished with red calipers, provide confident stopping power, while E.C.D's air ride suspension adapts to shifting terrain, lowering for stability on road, lifting for clearance when conditions demand more. Finished in a striking green and olive-yellow eggshell, contrasted by Narvik black accents, the Hulk carries a presence that feels right at home in both desert heat and winter landscapes. Kahn wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres give it grip across sand, gravel and snow, while the full external roll cage, NAS rear bumper and swing-away carrier reinforce its expedition-ready design. Inside, the Hulk balances durability with comfort. Corbeau sport seats wrapped in tan leather with diamond stitching create a warm contrast to the rugged exterior, while a panoramic roof opens the cabin to sky, sand, or snowfall. The Hulk is a build ready to live up to its namesake,